Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use GFX tool on PUBG or BGMI. So go to GFX tool. As you can see, you can select game version, global, BGMI, China, Korea, Taiwan, Vietnam, Lite and global beta. So I'm using global. So I select global. So I will also share this GFX tool in description. You can download this GFX tool from description. You can select resolution like this according to your mobile, your graphics. You can select smooth HD, HDR, Ultra, FPS. I will suggest you to select 60 FPS because most of devices doesn't support 90 FPS. So after selecting this setting, click on accept, then run game. So this is all for this video. This is how you can use GFX tool. You can download this GFX tool from description.